I'm going to go through the St. Paul's Girls' School paper. Section C, question 7. Imagine that you have a can of red paint, a can of blue paint, and a large supply of wooden cubes, all the same size. You decide to paint the cubes by making each face either red or blue. How many different coloured cubes can you make? 2 cubes are considered the same if one can be turned so that all its sides match the corresponding sides of the other cube. You can use the diagrams below to help. So, one way we could do it is 0 red sides which would mean that all the sides are blue. So that's our first option, and there is only one way to do that. One way. Now, our second cube could have one red side and it could have 5 blue sides. And there's only one way to do that because there is only one red side. For the next option, we could have 2 red sides and we could have 4 blue sides. But for this one, it's slightly different than the others because this one, there's 2 ways to do it. The first way is that the 2 red sides are next to each other. And the second way is that the 2 red sides aren't next to each other. And if we go to the next cube, we could have 3 red sides and 3 blue sides. Sorry, I need to make my blue sides just a bit further away. Okay, so we could again have 2 ways of doing this. The first way is that the 3 red and blue sides each colour, all of them are next to each other. other, and then and then we could have it the other way around. So they aren't. Okay, then for the next one, we could have 4 red sides and 2 blue sides. Again, we could have 2 ways of doing this. I'm not meant to write that, am I? Sorry. 2 ways of doing this, which is the 2 blue sides could be next to each other. Or the 2 blue sides aren't next to each other. Okay. Then for our next cube, there could be 5 red sides and 1 blue side. But there would only be one way to do this, because the blue side would have to be by its own. Okay, and for the last option we could do, we could have 0 red sides, so no blue sides, but 6 or all red sides and 0 blue sides. Which again, there would only be one way to do it, because all of the sides would be red. So, in the end, what colour should I have? Let's have a nice pink. In the end, you've got to do, so there's one way. 1. Sorry, I need to rub that out. Why does it come out as a highlighter? Plus 1 way, plus 2 ways, plus 2 ways, plus 2 ways, plus 1 way, plus 1 way. And I hope you all know how to count. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 10. So if we scroll down, the answer is 10. There's 10 different ways you can do it. So I hope you understood that, and I'll see you next time. Bye.